today I'm going to cook beef calderita. I add oil so I can stir fry the potato and carrots for half cook. And after that, you have to stir it. So when the carrots and potato is turned light brown, then I need to put the separate plate. So I add the vegetable. So now it's ready to set aside. Thank you so much for watching. Follow for more, like and share. Now and also bell pepper, red or green pepper. Now 4 cloves of garlic fresh, and then add 1/2 onion white. And the beef ribs and also oxtail, I put the pressure cooker for 45 minutes. I add the oxtail and also beef ribs, and add the water which I boiled the meat. So bring to boil. Now I add the potato. So I add right away the potato because I don't want the meat is overcooked. Add like more seasoning, like 2 tablespoons, and also beef calderita mix powder, and then you have to mix it. So bring to boil. And then also beef powder, like 1 tablespoon. And little bit of Fission evap milk, like 2 tablespoons. So the meat, guys, is really soft already because I put the pressure cooker at 20 to 25 minutes now, and also the ribs, and also the potato and carrots is happening. So now I add soy sauce, like 2 tablespoons of soy sauce or dark sauce, and also raisin or pasas, maybe like 3 tablespoons. And also sugar. I add brown sugar, like 3 tablespoons to 4 tablespoons. So now as you can see, so bring to boil, and black pepper, maybe like 1/2 teaspoon. And tomato sauce, or I have no tomatoes but I put banana ketchup. So like 3 tablespoons or 4 tablespoons, and also the bell pepper or achal, we call in Philippines, green and black pepper. If you want spicy, then you can add a chili spicy. So bring the boil until it gets a little bit sticky, and also green peas or peas. So it's so yummy, guys. You have to try it. It's very delicious. You can add also tomato paste. Or tomato sauce. So subscribe, like, share, and please leave comment. And thank you so much to all silent viewers and to all supporters, subscribers. Thank you. Please don't skip the ads. Thank you so much for always visiting my channels. God bless you all. delicious, guys. And also the olive. You have green olive or black olive, either one you can add. Just one can. If you want like more, then add more. Then you can put like 2 cans. So you need to try this oxtail and beef ribs. So in order to quick the meat is soaked, then I put the 25 to 20 minutes for the pressure cooker. So now the calderita is almost ready, and add the calderita mix powder. So I 1 1/2 pack of calderita mix I put guys. So it's so yummy and you have to try it. This is the Philippine or in American they call it tube, different recipe. So thank you so much for watching. Our calderita is almost done. So we can eat this with rice, or if you have whatever yams or bread, you can do it, or you can eat also. So now we add our bell pepper, green pepper or red pepper. So as you can see, it's ready to serve. It's so yummy, guys. Really good. You have to try it. So by the way, add a little bit of sugar, white sugar. I want the calderita a little bit sweet, but this is my specialty, so you have to try it. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless to all. Now it's ready to put the clean bowl. So I have a little bit whole milk or evaporated by evaporated milk. And then this one, guys. So if you have a liver spread, then you can add so get more sticky. If not, you can add cheese. It's so yummy, guys. You have to try it. So yummy. Look at that, the oxtail, the beef ribs. So it's kind of like very expensive. The beef and the oxtail is very expensive here in US. So I bought this from Walmart. So thank you so much for watching again. Thank you for always coming in my channel, or to all my silent viewers. Thank you to all so much. You always watching my video. Please don't skip the ads. Thank you. And God bless you all. So now our beef calderita is ready to serve. You can eat this as lunch and